Good morning. Today is the 30th of November 2016. Just kind of playing around with try to manage large contract, large position, and what I have right now is I took a 10 contract position, averaging in at about, I think it was 45 was my average, 48, 45. My first position, I entered at 50, and then another 5 at I guess 40. Yeah, between 40 and 50 were my positions. So peeled that at one at 75, or peeled half at 75, and that was a good 30 ticks. So let's see, 45. Yeah, 30 ticks on the first one, and I got a feeling this thing is going to break the highs, and then right at 8 o'clock or so, it's gonna start fading lower. So I'm gonna reverse my trade at that point. So I think this is just an experiment. So let's see, I'm gonna try to front run this here in case it double tops there. So I'll sell 3 at 90 or even 89. I can just get filled. You can see, I mean, the drops are huge. I mean, it's like 10 ticks. So today would not be one of those days that you manage it at a lower. And the reason why the volatility today is the OPEC meeting. So if this thing starts reversing, I'm going to reverse my trade as well. But I think there's some meeting going on, and also inventory report is today. So I have to be very cautious. So in the meanwhile, I'll pause the video. I'll come right back. You got my first target here. I'm gonna let go of another one right at the highs. Maybe yeah, let's see, put it maybe 4 or 5 ticks from there, about right there. And let's see, and this thing is moving today. It's pretty good. These are the days that you preserve your cash for volatility. Actually, I'm gonna just peel one out right now just in case this thing rolls over. So I got 4 more. I'll just oops. Where was that earlier? It's 90, so I'll put it at 2 at 80. High of this one is 94, so I'll put it at 89. So alright, so I got my target, I got my exit ready to go. This is just my protective stop. The volatility is crazy. This is a 10-minute chart. You could see each candle bars are huge. It's like almost 20 ticks. So if you're playing today, and that's evident in all the bars. So that's one of those things I look at. So you have to adjust your stop real good. So if you have a 4 or 5 tick stop, today would not be a good day to play, because it's the range bars are, the range of each of these bars are pretty substantial. So that's why I'm hiding my stop all the way over here. In any event, I'll pause the video. I'll come right back. This is just a simulated trade. I was looking to go at a bigger, higher contract position sizing. So if you watch my other videos, I've always, when I get new ideas, or at this instance, I'm trying to size up in position, then I put it on a sim trade first, make sure I'll get some kind of understanding on how to manage a big size position. So in any event, I'll pause the video. I'll come right back. positions here just because just really trying to get just filled here, not try not to guess my target was at 88, and it tested at level 89 was my target, and this one made a high at 88. So I'll just let's take this one right here, two more. So I'll just put it at 43. So I'm just cover commission, so just in case it doesn't roll up here. Let's see. The reason why I got it at 49.18 is if you look at the daily, this high right here is 49.20. So I'm just trying to front run that one. For some good. Alright, I'll pause this video again. I'll come right back. Oh, sorry, just in case you didn't hear that, I didn't have the mic. Just to reiterate, I'm just trying to front run some of these levels. So let's see, actually I might have to lower this one. I'll put it at 49.05. Let's see the high of that one, so I'll just put it at 49.04. So just want to get filled. 20. And we'll just manage the other one just by itself. Alright, so I got the position. It's already 8 o'clock, and it's moving fairly slow here, so I got a feeling they're waiting on something here. Anyways, I'll pause the video. Nothing really exciting going on. You have my stops and my target, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. This thing is just feels like it's getting rejected here. I'm watching the tape as I go, so it looks like there's some selling taking place on this side, and this filter here, as you can see, it's grabbing the where it's selling around this area. So I'm going to make another high here, 8:05. So in about a minute, if it doesn't make another high here, I'll just peel another position. And there you go, made a penny high, 2 penny, 91, 3 pennies high. Okay, actually I might just sell another one right there. Okay, so I have one left, and I'm gonna put it, let that one be my runner. Okay, so one position trade with my entry. I'm at 46 ticks so far, so don't worry about this one. I mean, that one is just that's what I could have made on a 10 position lot, so more focus on I think I should even just delete this thing, because it's causing me to look. Let's see, I'm going to take it out. Well, it's just for you guys to watch. Doesn't matter. This one is more important for me, and really just watching my my trades. So right now, I'm just gonna we'll see how this thing works. If anything, I got a feeling it's gonna break by a few, and it'll break by a few, and then it won't close any higher than 49.12. You know, so it'll be around here, 49.15. If that happens, then I'm gonna initiate a short position. So, and this is just a trade. Anyways, I'll pause the video. I'll come right back. Just a quick update here. It's nearing this level. And also keep in mind, if you look at my daily, sell high, buy low, right? So here's where that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to sell almost near the high. That's probably that's just kind of what I'm thinking when I'm trading. So always looking for a test of highs and lows. So that's where I'm going to sell, because if this thing, just in case you get tested, you'll have at least you already have your target in place. I can always initiate new positions. So anyhow, okay, well, I'll pause the video again. I'll come back. Just a quick update. Put a protective stop. I'm gonna put this protective stop at 80 at this point. The bell's fixing to ring, and it seems like it's taking its time to get there. So I think 50 ticks is even pretty good for a trade. So 78, do I really want to give up that much? 40. Alright, so we're going to lock in at least 40 ticks for this trade here. So at least that'll still pretty good trade. Capture 40 ticks in a trade, that's pretty good. And with the volatility right now, the range is $3.90. I can't remember the last time this thing made a $3.90 overnight, so I can't even remember. I have to pull my spreadsheet to figure that out. So but this is where you prepare your money for, as moves like this, because you can always make money. But today I'm just prepping on the large size position trading. Anyhow, I'll pause the video. I'll come right back. Okay, so I got stopped out on my last trade, which netted, I think, 38.80. I think was the stop. I guess 72. I think. Oh, there was a gap in price, so I'm gonna look to reverse my trade here and take some short position. But anyways, it's gonna take some time, so I guess I'll end the video now. It's about 13 minutes, so I just wanted to share my I guess my thoughts as far as when I enter and get in and get out of a certain trade. So anyways, I think I'm going to look for other opportunity, but in the meanwhile, this is it for this trade. I appreciate those who's subscribed to my video and clicking that button, the like button. Certainly help promote my channel. So, and education is free. So if you have any question, feel free to drop in a comment. Until then, I'll see you on the next video. Take care.